safe at home, stay safe. And today we are going to discuss about a familiar thing that already you know, but again just have a look on that and you can tell whatever I will ask. So regarding what I am going to tell also, you can't imagine, but it is very simple. Okay? Now the time is 1 o'clock and I didn't take my food and I am feeling something in my stomach. What it is? Hungry. Yes? To overcome the hungry, what we have to eat? We have to eat rice or some dal or some curry. Like that we have to take. Yes, sir. All these items together called as what? Food. Isn't it? So, in the food, we are taking so many different types. Isn't it? In these, we are taking as 3 sessions. What are those? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. For breakfast, we are eating some. For lunch, we are taking some items. For dinner, we are taking some items. So, different food items also there. And we are taking food. For what we are taking food? Yes, we are taking food to get energy, to grow, to keep our body healthy. Yes, we are taking food. From the food we are getting the energy. How we are getting the energy? And how by eating the food we are getting energy? Yes, that is today's topic. How we are getting energy from food and why we are getting energy from food. See, food having different types as I said. In different types of food having some important values. Some important values which useful us to grow, to build up our body, to stay healthy. And these useful substances are called as nutrients. What these substances called as? Nutrients. Here on the board, this side, I am going to write all the new words which are introduced by me to you. Okay? Shall we start? New words. In that, Nutrients. Nutrients. Okay? And our topic is food, nutrients, and their role. And in which food items the nutrients will available means the food sources. Okay? Sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources. So today our topic is food, nutrients, role and sources. Okay? Today our topic is food and nutrients and their role and what are the sources of the nutrients. Okay? Here I am going to show you one thing. No problem. See, let us consider this as your food plate. Yes, we are taking rice, we are taking vegetables, we are taking oil, we are taking water, we are taking all these things. Yes, no? So let us consider this as your food plate. Okay? Let us consider this as your food plate. Here I wrote some words here. Yes, as you know already in your before class, food having different components. Yes, so here those components are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, water and rough phase. How many? See, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, rough phase and water. Let us write all these spellings on the board. Carbohydrates, C-A-R-B-O, carbo, H-Y-I-D-R-A-T-E-S, carbohydrates. And proteins, P-R-O, Pro-T-I-N-S, proteins. Fats, F-A-T-S, fats. And vitamins and minerals, V-I-T-A, vita, M-I-N-S, vitamins and M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. And water, W-A-T-R, water. And R-O-U-F-A-G-E, rough phase. Here we are reading this as rough phase, no? So pronounce like this, R-U-F, rough, A-G-E, age, rough age. Okay, ma'am? And to tell about all these, one person came. Okay? He is a boy and he went to market and he bought some things. And what the things are? Let us see. With some bags he bought all the things. Okay? See here. This is the first bag. Here he brought ghee, oil, egg, butter, meat, fish, egg, nuts and all. Okay? And along with all these, he brought eggs, again, meat, milk, fish, pulses. Okay? And along with all these, he brought a bag of vegetables. See here, a bag of vegetables and a bag of, what are these? Yes, very colorful, no? Fruits. You have the interest to eat fruits also. Yes? And rice, bread, sugar, honey, biscuits, maize, wheat. Those all items he bought and came. Okay? Let us keep aside these all bags and let us listen what he is telling. Okay? That boy is telling he bought some items, no? Yes? Some bags of items. And here already I also mentioned these all names. Those in your food plate. Yes, Nana? And here let us see. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, water and rough phase. Okay? Here, carbohydrates. Ma'am, we are taking the food. As you said, different kinds of food. Means rice, chapati, dal, vegetables, fruits and all. From where these all items came, ma'am? Carbohydrates, fats and all. Yes, Nana. What the things we are taking? Those food substances having these nutrition values. Okay? Those nutrition values are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, water, rough phase and all. Okay? And here I am going to tell you about the first nutrient, carbohydrates. What? Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates. It is also called as energy giving food. Energy giving food. The persons who can do a lot of work, means the persons who want more energy, those persons must have the component of carbohydrates. Means the food what we are taking as carbohydrates will give lot of energy. So that is the role of the carbohydrate. What the carbohydrates can do? The carbohydrates can give more energy. And what are the sources? Let us see. Rice, sugar, wheat, bread, maize, honey and biscuits. Okay, here let us see these all things there in that boy's bag. Let us see. Here it is. What the items you are looking here? Bread, sugar, honey, biscuits, rice. Okay, and see here this bag. That boy covered with a label. Let us see what is in this. Yes, these items are carbohydrates. Yes, see, bread, sugar, biscuit, honey, rice, maize and all. So, which food items will come under carbohydrates? Rice, sugar, wheat, bread, maize, honey and biscuits. Okay, these items will come under carbohydrates. And another bag also there. Let us see what these will be there in that. Okay. Okay, and let us see which food items will come under proteins. See here in the plate, which food items will come under proteins? Milk, fish, meat, eggs, pulses, grams, Bengal gram, turdol, this all will be there. No, pulses. All pulses will come under proteins. Understood? And what is the role of the protein? The role of the protein is body building. It useful for body building. Body building means what, ma'am? To build our muscles or what? Yes, along with that, see, in most of the accidents, normally doctor refer to eat more meat, more pulses, more fish and all. Why? Why means the proteins helps to repair our body cells, those who got damaged. So that's why proteins called as body building food. What it is called as? Body building food. Proteins called as body building food. And the food items comes under pulses, meat, fish, eggs, and so many food items will be there. And the next one, fats. What is the next one? Fats. See here, what is the food items? You can observe fish, egg, dry fruits, almonds, cashew nuts, oil, cheese, dry fruits. Okay, these all food items will come under fats. And here I am going to tell one thing. Fats also called as energy giving food, and fats also called as energy banks. Energy energy banks. That is spelled ENERGY, energy, BANKS, banks, energy banks. And what will comes under fats? Oil, ghee, cheese, dry fruits, and junk food also will come under the fats. And here I am going to tell you one thing. While comparing the fats and carbohydrates, if we will take some quantity of carbohydrate, it will give 36 kilocalories. While comparing to fat, it will give 57 kilocalories. 1 gram of carbohydrate compared to. So here the quantity of using of fat should be low. I said oil is a fat item. So to cook a curry we are pouring lots of oil, or 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. Yes, 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. Why we are using? So fats we can use in a small quantity. So that's why we have to use the fats in small quantity. So eating too much of junk food also will affect our body. If we will take lots amount of fat, means it will be formed as a layer in our blood vessels, and it will affect the circulatory system. Because of that, cholesterol will increase in our body, obesity will come, and it will affect on our whole body. Understood, Nana? So that's why not have to supposed to take fats more. And the next one, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Ma'am, vitamins and minerals means here what you are observing here, see? So many vegetables, so many fruits and all. Yes, see here. So fruits and vegetables comes under vitamins and minerals, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. And vitamins and minerals are called as protective. The role of the vitamins and minerals are the protect from the diseases. In this season, most probably you may listen in the news also, eat oranges, eat C vitamin fruits to protect us from to increase our immunity. Why means in the fruits and vegetables what will be there? Vitamins and minerals will be there. The vitamin C will increase the immunity power in our body. So that's why these also have to need our body in a low amount. So eat one fruit daily, that was enough for your body. Take more vegetables. Take more vegetables in your food. Understood? Then only be included with fats, vitamins and minerals. So vitamins and minerals, what is the role of the vitamins and minerals? It may protect you from the diseases. Not it will protect you from diseases. So it is called as protective food. What is the role of the vitamins and minerals? Protective food. And what the food items will come under vitamins and minerals? Fruits and vegetables. So water, you know, we have to take water. Our body consists of 75% of water, and it helps in digestion. It helps in digestion, and it removes the waste from our body through sweat. See how I am sweating? Through the sweat, through the urine, what the waste is coming out from our bodies. Understood? And roughage also very important now. See, to grind anything in a mixie jar, we should add some water. Yes? As the same way, to digest, to complete digestion, the water will use, and the roughage also. The food what we are taking in, that is very important. The roughage also should be there in our food. So the food grains comes under roughage, the wheat will comes under roughage, the vegetables, fruits will all comes under roughage. So our plate is must and should include with all these components. When the food is contain all these substances, then the food is called as, then the diet is called as balanced diet. That food is called as balanced diet. And here I am asking you, let us revise all the things again. Okay? What the nutrients in our body? Sorry, in our food? Nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, water and roughage. Okay? And here I am asking you, carbohydrates are also called as what? Yes, energy giving food. Energy giving food. Fats and carbohydrates will come under energy giving food. And proteins. Proteins called as what? Proteins called as what? Body building food. Proteins called as body building food. And vitamins and minerals called as? Yes, vitamins and minerals called as protective food. See, vitamins and minerals called as protective food. And here I am asking you, comes under, these food items will comes under what? Let us revise. And what we learned until now, which food items will comes under which nutrient? Okay? Already you know that. See, these bread, sugar, biscuits, honey, rice, maize, wheat will all comes under carbohydrates. And this is another bag. I am going to show you. Egg, meat, milk, fish, pulses and dry fruits will comes under what? Which nutrient? Let us see. Yes, it is coming. Yes, it is proteins. All these food items will come under what? Proteins. Okay. And another bag also there. Let us see. Ghee, oil, egg, butter, meat, fish and dry fruits will comes under what? S. Will comes under fats. And these wonderful, see, colorful. What are those? Vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits will come under? Yes, vitamins and minerals. Vegetables and fruits will come under vitamins and minerals. So these are the bags brought by that bottle. So contains lot of nutrients. Yes. So let us revise all the things. What food items that boy brought? Carbohydrates, proteins, the face. Okay, so I hope you learned so many things about the food what we are taking. So this is our plate and these items what we are taking in. Okay, thank you.